have gathered here for the Waste Management series of summits.
The summit was organized in India's capital, New Delhi, and was aimed at providing a platform to experts who intend to make strides for holistic and integrated management for all kinds of waste. Waste poses a great threat to our planet, but the delegates of the summit are ambitious to create wealth from waste while also benefiting the environment.
Dev Discourse participated as the media partner of this event.
Here we catch up with Mr. Ashish Maheshwari, Associate Business Director, High Performance Polymers of Evonik India.
So what's the vision behind the Waste Management Series Summit going on?
Our country has a massive potential of waste to convert into wealth. In general, country is producing around 65 million metric ton of waste annually, and with rapid urbanization, it has a potential to reach around 170 million metric ton by 2030. The key to efficient waste management lies in its segregation of the waste at its source, and to ensure that waste it should be recycled in a proper systematic way. Indus Expo is organizing second edition of Waste Management Summit. The organization is playing vital role in inviting all the waste management industry people, policymaker, consultant, technology provider.
So what kind of participants are we expecting currently?
The organizer is involving the policymaker who are playing vital role in deciding the biofuel policy. In addition to that, there are technology providers, consultants, engineers, scientists who plays important role in deciding the waste management strategies.
So how do you see Indian government's role in the waste management system, especially biofuel sector?
In 2018, MNRE, Ministry of Renewable Energy and Petroleum, has launched new biofuel policy. The biofuel in India is of strategic importance. It is in parallel to the government's vision of skill development, Make in India program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and generation of the new smart cities. Satat is one of the initiatives that government is planning to build 5,000 plants, bio-CNG plants, where they are planning to generate 15 million metric tons of CNG by 2023.
So can you please elaborate or brief about your brand?
Evonik sees corporate sustainability and long-term business success as two sides of the same coin. Sustainability is the central element in our claim, power to create. At Evonik, we are providing innovative solutions that helps to make our lives more sustainable, more comfortable, and more healthy. The high-performance material are playing important role for the environment protection and energy saving stream.
So what's your main expansion plan?
In case of biofuel policy, for waste to fuel is our motto, under which Evonik is promoting our Sepuran brand. Sepuran stands for the customized hollow fiber, which is used for the gas separation. Our aim is to turn organic waste into green energy like biofuel simply, efficiently, and sustainability. Sepuran provides green technology, containerized technology, green technology, and environment-friendly technology.
And what are the new products, if you want to highlight?
In case of hollow fiber membranes, we are generating new generation membrane which are highly selective and provide the best filtration efficiency.
What do you want to foresee your brand in the next 5 years down the line?
Planning to develop the vision of future specialty chemical, to initiate the innovative early and targeted way, and play a vital role in the waste management segment in India.
Okay, thank you for sharing.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.